Let's cook chicken sopas. Boil a boneless chicken with salt, then pulled out. In a pan, sauté onion and garlic, the chicken, carrots, celery, chicken broth, and the herbs and seasonings. Add the pasta and creamier. Delicious, healthy recipe to enjoy. Let's make chicken wings soup this winter. Boil the chicken wings with salt, pepper, and seasonings. Once it's tender, add the onion, radish, carrots, spring onions, and celery. Continue on cooking for 3 minutes, then add cabbage. Another easy, delicious homemade soup to enjoy. Let's cook gnocchi soup this winter seasons. Toast the gnocchi. Once it's golden brown, remove and set aside. In a pan with olive oil, toast the chicken. Add the onion, carrots, leeks, celery, sausages, salt, pepper, seasoning, water, the gnocchi, and creamier. Let us continue cooking for 2 minutes. Another easy, delicious homemade recipe to enjoy.
Let's try this Asian noodles this autumn. Boil the chicken with salt, pepper, and seasoning. Set aside. Let it cool, pull it out. On same saucepan with chicken broth, add tomato paste, chicken, broccoli, and Sotanghon. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Serve it with cabbage, egg, spring onions, and pepper. Another homemade recipe to enjoy.